Hi, today I'm going to take you through 5 basic lifting exercises. So we're going to start off with a V down, V up. You're going to open up your arms, keep good posture. It's a mini squat. Then squeeze your hands together for chest and then V up. And the V up helps you maintain better shoulder alignment, especially when you're weaker, no impingement. So I'm going to do a few of these. You can go as deep as you want on the squat. You can go all the way down if you like, but notice my position. Knees go behind the ankles, V up, and I lean slightly back on the V up to keep the shoulders safe. V down, squeeze, V up. This is a great warm-up exercise, and you're gonna do this for a minute. The next one's gonna be a row fly. Feet can be together or in a staggered position. You're gonna row to the waist, fly the arms. Row to the waist, fly. Now, if you feel this in the back at all, you can do it upright or do it one at a time with support on one arm on the leg. Notice my back position, head, neck, and shoulders in alignment. Squeeze the back, push. You don't want any momentum. You want to squeeze. So again, row, fly. Squeeze the back, squeeze the back. The next is going to be a biceps curl. So anybody can do biceps in their sleep. What I'd like you to do is do it with balance. So we're going to squeeze up and down. Tighten all the way up. Go to full extension. All the way up and extend it. So notice, all the way out. Second one will be triceps. Balance on the second leg. Start at your hip joint and you're going to go kick and in. No momentum. Squeeze the back of the shoulders and arms to the hips. Now, if you need to put your toe down for balance, you can actually use it to dig in and push back. So it's hips to straight, shoulders do not elevate. You keep a nice long neck and back. Squeeze. And then the last one is going to be pinkies and thumbs. So we're going to touch behind the body with the pinkies to thumbs, or thumbs to pinkies, whichever one feels better to you. This is going to engage the chest, strengthen the shoulders, and I'm squeezing behind the body, squeezing at the front. So I'm only going to do a few more, and we are all done with this nice little combination that'll get you ready for harder work. Thumbs, pinkies, or pinkies, thumbs. I hope you enjoy those.